My name is Rob McGreevy. I'm the Vice President of the Platform and Applications team for Invensys Operations Management. And Invensys Operations Management focuses on delivering solutions, which includes hardware, software, and services, to the infrastructure and industrial manufacturing segments. So power plants, water plants, chemical plants, refineries, things like that. So Denali looks very promising, very encouraging stuff. We're really excited by what we saw. In particular, some of the high availability and disaster recovery functionality was really good for us, especially in our industry. So we're looking forward to looking into that in some more detail. I also like the concepts of some of the, I think it was part of the Crescent project, which is some of the self-serve BI sort of information for the user, by the user stuff. And that's very, very compelling for us based on the users that we sell to and the typical users. So we're encouraged by what we saw there. And I'd say we also like a lot of the sort of general, performance and integration capabilities, sort of the ease of use around managing and configuring the system. That's also something that's really important to us. So those are probably the highlights that we think are most encouraging for us. So most of the solutions that we deliver for manufacturing are mission critical. So if things go wrong, people get hurt, product gets wasted, etc. So the high availability functionality we think is going to help us build even better capabilities into our platform than we've had before. The other thing that I think is unique is, again, the user base that we sell to, typically in manufacturing, looks for tools that are very easy to use, easy to configure, easy to manage. And so again, the self-service BI concepts that we saw earlier today are going to be fantastic extensions, we hope, to what we're trying to deliver. So initially, we're in the planning stages of looking at how Denali can help us with our process and production historian, which is a base sort of advanced implementation of SQL Server, if you will, for the process and production industries. That's one piece. And then we've got an intelligence solution that we have for manufacturing intelligence that focuses on taking historian, process, and production data, batch data, event data, things like that that are relevant to infrastructure and industry, and making sense of that for our end users. So we're looking at some of the extensions in Denali to potentially help us address that area of our product line. I think for workloads for us, probably the ease of use, ease of configurability side is very interesting, and certainly the mission critical, fault tolerance, reliability. Again, that's just cornerstone of the stuff that we do in our industry, so any extensions we can get from Microsoft to help with that are going to be fantastic. We've actually done quite a bit with the cloud technology as well. We've did several proof of concepts earlier in the year with Microsoft around Azure, and so we're encouraged to see what extensions from Denali actually make it into the cloud in the first release. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on that as well. So we've been partners with Microsoft for over 20 years now. So we've been working on joint architectures, roadmaps. We do technology sessions with our customers, and it's been a fantastic relationship. It's helped us both sort of evolve the technology and really focus it on extending the base technology Microsoft offers into what the industrial manufacturing market needs. And it's been a great relationship. It's also given us the opportunity to get an early release, or early look at a lot of technologies from Phone 7 to Azure to other things. That's helped us be more productive. I think the other thing is that the teams have been working really well together. Any of the assistance that we get from the tech teams has been fantastic on some of the early adopter programs. And they've been really good working with us on modifying, and adjusting some of our product strategies and plans to accommodate the direction that Microsoft's taking. 3 things for Denali. I guess I'd come back to self-service BI, the concepts of just kind of keeping it simple and easy for today. There's so much information out there, so many different data sources. Trying to make it simple is a key piece. I think the other one I mentioned earlier is on reliability, high availability, disaster recovery. There's just so many things that need to be operating 24/7 that those extensions look very encouraging for us. And probably the last one is just, again, that configurability, making it easy to configure and set up and manage and maintain these systems. So those are probably the 3 things I'd take away from Denali.